Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn what are the logical operators in Java and how we can use them. So first thing first, if we talk about logical operators, then we can say that the logical operators only works on Boolean expression. That expression must return a true or false result, or we can simply say that they work on Boolean variables. And the second thing is that the result of the logical operators is also Boolean, that the result is going to be true or false all the time. So now let's see the various logical operators. So here we have a few set of logical operators. The first one is this OR operator, and then this is AND operator. The third one is XOR operator, and the last one is NOT operator. So if we talk about working, just keep things simple. The OR operator returns true if one of the Boolean expression is returning true, or if one of the expression is true. And if we see working of this AND operator, then it returns true if both the expression are true, otherwise it will return me false. In the same way, the XOR operator returns true if both the expression are opposite of each other. And the working of this NOT operator is just simple. It actually returns the opposite of the specified expression. So if I say not A, then actual value of A is false, so not A will return me true. Now let's see how we can use these operators in our code. So now let's declare a Boolean variable A and assign it a value true, and I'll have another one and I will assign it a value as false. So if we talk about various operations, then I can do something like this. Here I'm doing A or B, and if I copy this, I will perform the same operation for AND, and third one is XOR. I'll do something like this, and the last one is NOT, and I will do NOT A. So if I save it and then run it, here I got the result. So first one is A or B, then it's returning me true as A is true, and then second one is A and B, it's returning me false as 1 is false. The third one is A XOR B, it's returning me true because both the values are opposite of each other. And the last one is not A, so actual value of A is true, so not A is returning me false. So now you can check the various results by just assigning different values to these A and B Boolean variable. You can assign both true, you can assign both false, you can assign A false and B true, then you can check the various results. Now we have another set of logical operators, something we call short circuit operators. So in short circuit operator we have basically two operators. That is, the first one is short circuit AND operator, and the second one is short circuit OR operator, and you can denote these operators something like this. So if we talk about the result of these short circuit AND and short circuit OR operator, so the result of the short circuit AND this AND operator is same, and in the same way the result of short circuit OR and this single OR is same. Now if the working is same, then what's the difference between this and this? To understand the difference, let's get back to where we have started. So the idea behind short circuit logical operator is simple. It's simply that if the result can be calculated by simply evaluating left hand side, then we have no need to check the right hand side. So if the first Boolean expression is true, then it's always returning me true. There is no need to check the right hand side expression. It's whether false or it's true, no matter, it's always returns true. So here true or false returning me true, and true or true is returning me true. In the same way, in case of AND, if the first one is false, then there is no need to check another one, it is false or true, no matter, the result will be false. So now let's see this scenario in our code. So let's assume I have a condition something like this, that 2 is equal to true OR, that I am performing a short circuit OR operation here, and I'll do 2 divided by 0 is equals to 0. So in this case, the first expression is returning me true, and another one is something throwing an error because we cannot divide something by 0. In the same case, if I copy this and write the same here, and I'll perform a single OR operation here. So here if I run it, so here I got the result. The first statement is returning me true, but the another one is throwing an exception. So let's assume this is something an error for now. So the first statement is returning true as it has not checked the right hand side of the expression, but in case of single OR it has to check both the sides. So if it is checking this side, then it's something throwing an error. So by this example you can understand the working of short circuit logical operators and simple logical operators. As in case of short circuit logical operators, there is no need to check both the sides. If it is necessary, then the result can be determined by only evaluating the left hand side of the expression. But in case of simple logical operators, it is necessary to check both the sides. That's why it's throwing an error. So this is all about the logical operators and the short circuit logical operator.